Good morning, students. Today we are going to see a topic factorization, the process of converting the given higher degree polynomial as the product of factors of its lower degree which cannot be further factorized is called a factorization. Example, x squared plus 5x plus 6. This one how to factorize in last year itself, in 8th standard itself you have studied. See here, first we have here you have to consider that x squared coefficient 1, so 1 into 6 6, then by I factorization the middle term is 5, so that one we have to write it down. So if we have to choose a two number, if we choose the two number, if we multiply the two number, we have to get the product as a 6, and then if we add the two numbers, we have to get the sum as a 5. So this one we can split it as a 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So we can write this one as x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So first this two we have to combine it. In this two we can take the x term as a common. X we have taken an x term outside, so x plus 2, then plus here 3, then next we have to compare this to 3x plus 6. So in this 3x plus 2, here we have written x plus 2, the same x plus 2 only here also we have to write, because we have to get this both terms as a common. So if we have taken in this 3x plus 6 like x plus 2 means, then here if we put 3 only, we can get this one, 3 into x, 3x, 3 2s are 6, we are getting this. So next this x plus 2, here x plus 2 are the same, so we have to write one time x plus 2 into this x plus 3. So we can factorize this x squared plus 5x plus 6 as a x plus 2 and x plus 3. Next, two important ways of factorization are there. Are two important ways of factorization are, first one by taking common factor, second one by grouping in pairs. By taking common factors, के example AB plus AC. In this both AB, in both the term A is common, so we can take A outside, then B plus C. So we can factorize like this, A into B plus C. Next, by grouping in pairs, example AQ plus BQ minus PA minus PB. So in this one first we have to group this, we have to take this to group this one, AQ plus BQ Q is common, so we are taking Q as outside, so A plus B. Next the PA minus PBA we have to group it, and then we have to write here we are getting A plus B, so here also we have to write A plus B. Then here we are having minus PA minus PB, so if we put P here, minus sign here, then P, if we multiply this one P into A, PA, the minus sign is there, so minus PA, then here plus into minus, minus P into B, PB, see our getting. So we have to group like this. Then here A plus B and A plus B are common, so we have to write that one once, A plus B into Q minus P. Last class we learned some identities. Now we have factorization using identities. That identities we are going to use it. Then we are going to factorize a polynomial. So what are all the identities we are going to use? Means see here. First one, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b the whole square. Next second one, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b the whole square. Third one, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Next fourth one, a plus b plus c the whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next fifth one, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b square. Next a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Next a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Next note, first one, a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Next, a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equal to 4ab. Next, third one, a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Next, a power 6 minus b power 6 is equal to a plus b into a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square into a square minus ab plus b square. Next, exercise 3.5 la first sum. Factorize the following. That first subdivision 2a square plus 4a square b plus 8a square. In this we can take 2a squared as a common. So if we take in three terms, we will take 2a squared as a common. So if we are taking 2a squared as a common means this first term 1 plus here 4a squared b we have taken 2a squared as a common. So remaining is 2b. So if we multiply this 2a squared into 4b, we will be getting 4a squared b plus this 8a squared c we have taken 2a squared as a common. So the remaining is 4c. So the 2a squared into 1 plus 2b plus 4c. Next, ab minus ac minus mb plus bc. So next, first what we have to do now, we have to group them. First ab minus mb minus ac plus mc, we have to group it. Then in this term we have to take b as a common. If we are taken b as a common means then we will be getting a minus m. Then in this two term we have to take c as a common means we will be here we will be getting a minus m. So here in between the sign, what sign we have to put? Here minus sign is there. If we put minus sign, so if we multiply this a into c, ac, here minus sign, here also minus sign is there. So minus ac we are getting. Why we are putting here minus again means here plus mc is there. So minus into minus plus c into m, mc we are getting that term. Now here a minus m is common. So we have to write that one time a minus m into b minus c. Now second question, factorize the following. First subdivision that x square plus 4x plus 4. By using the identity we have to factorize this one. So which identity we have to use here? First we have to think. So here x square term is there. Here 4 is there. The 4 is, so here x square term. Here this 4 we can write it as a 2 squared. So here we can write first x squared plus 4x plus 2 squared. 2 squared. Now we are written. Now it is in the form of a squared plus b squared we are having. This one we have to split. This 4x we have to split it as a plus 2ab we have to split it. So x squared plus here we have taken that a as a x, b as a 2. So plus 2ab 2 into ax, b is 2. So plus next 2 squared. So 2 2s are 4, 4 into x, 4x we are getting that 4x. So this one it is in the form of a squared plus 2 into ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b the whole square. We know this identity. Now the given polynomial it is in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b the whole square. So this one now we have split this for x squared plus 4x plus 2 into x squared plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 squared. So we have to write a plus b the whole square. So a we have taken as a x plus b we have taken as a 2. So 2 the whole square. So x squared plus 4x plus 4 we factorized as a x plus 2 the whole square. Next, third subdivision, x power 5 minus 16x. So in this lab, first you will take both the terms we are having x. Here x power 5, here x is there. So you will take one x as a common. Then we will get here x power 4 minus 16. Here x into x power 4 minus 16. Now x into this x power 4, we can write it as a x square the whole square minus 16, I will write it as a 4 squared. Now see here it is in the form of a squared minus b squared. So which identity we have to use here? A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This identity we have to use here. Now a is the x square, b is a 4. So what will write it? X into x squared plus 4 into x squared minus 4. Now a plus b into a minus b in base pattern. Now again this x into this x squared plus 4, we can't do anything. So just you write as it is, x plus 4 into this x squared minus 4. Again we can split it, x squared minus this 4, I will write it as a 2 squared. Now again it is in that form, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So x into x squared plus 4. This one here are a is x, b is a 2. So we will write a plus b. So x plus 2 into x minus 2. So our answer is x into x squared plus 4, x plus 2 into x minus 2. Next, fourth subdivision, m squared plus 1 by m squared minus 23. Now this one equal to m squared plus this 1 squared is also 1 by m squared minus this 23, we can write it as a plus 2 minus 25. If this 23, we are writing splitting like this, 25 minus 2 is 23. So here we have to get minus 23. So we are taking a greater number sign only we have to put. So the minus 25 plus, so minus this 23, we are writing as a plus 2 and minus 25. Now we have to take this term m squared plus 1, this 1 by m squared, we can write it as a 1 by m the whole squared plus 2 into, so we are writing it as in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. First we are writing this one. So a squared we are written plus b squared we are written plus 2 into ab we want. So the 2 into, here your a is m into m, but b is 1 by m. This m which get cancelled and we are getting this 2. So we are getting this term m squared plus 1 by m squared plus 2. So we are written minus this 25. We have to write as it is. Now this a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b the whole square. We know this by identity, we know that one. So this one we have to, this full term we have to write it as in the form of m plus 1 by m the whole squared. M here our a is m, b is 1 by m. So a plus b the whole squared minus this 25, we can write it as a 5 squared. Now it is in the form of a squared minus b squared. Now here we are using another identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here our a is m plus 1 by m, b is here 5. So this one we can write it as a m plus 1 by m, a plus b. So a we are written plus b is 5. So a plus b into a minus b. So a is m plus 1 by m minus b 5. So we factorize this m square plus 1 by m square minus 23 as a m plus 1 by m plus 5 into m plus 1 by m minus 5. Next subdivision, fifth subdivision, 6 minus 216 x square. Now in this 6 minus 216 x square we can take 6 as a common. So we take 6 as a common means 6 if you are taking outside, 1 minus 36 x squared. No, we will be getting. So this 6 into 1 minus 36 x squared, we can write it as a 6 into 1 minus this 36, we can write it as a 6 squared. So 6x the whole squared. So this one again we write it as a 6 into 1 squared is 1 only. So here this one we are writing as a 1 squared minus 6x the whole squared. Now it is in the identity a squared minus b squared. So a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here we have to use this as 6 into a square minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A is a 1, b is a 6x. So 1 plus 6x into 1 minus 6x. So 6 minus 216 x squared is equal to 6 into 1 plus 6x into 1 minus 6x. Next, sixth subdivision, a square plus 1 by a square minus 18. So this one first we'll write a square plus 1 by a square minus this 18 we can write it as a minus 2 minus 16. So how we have split it at the 23 plus 25 minus 2 minus 25 plus 2 like that. Here minus 18 here we are splitting as a minus 2 and minus 16. Now take this term a squared plus 1 by a squared we can write as a 1 by a into the whole square minus 2 into here we are getting here now listen here a squared plus 1 by a squared. So a squared we written, b squared also we written, minus 2ab this is if we put here minus 2ab we are getting this term, we have to check it. So we have taken here a as a b as a 1 by a. So we are 2ab, we are already 2 is there, so we are writing the 2. A is a, b is 1 by a into 1 by a. So a will get cancelled. We are getting a square plus 1 by a the whole square minus 2ab, minus 2 we are getting. So minus 60. Now it is in the form of this one, it is in the form of how it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now this one, this form, this fully it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. By the identity we know that a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square. So here we have to write equal to a is a, b is minus 1 by a the whole square minus the 16 will be writing as a 4 square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So now here our a is a minus 1 by a. So a minus 1 by a plus b is our 4. So plus 4. A minus 1 by a plus 4. Next a minus b. So a minus 1 by a minus b is our 4. So a plus b, a minus b. So a squared plus 1 by a squared minus 18 is equal to a minus 1 by a plus 4, a minus 1 by a minus 4. Next, third question, factorize the following. In that first subdivision, 4x square plus 9y square plus 25z square plus 12xy plus 30yz plus 20zx. So this one of us, we are splitting this one as a 2x square, 4x square, we can write it as a 2x the whole square plus this 9y square we are writing as a 3y the whole square plus 25z square we are writing as a 5z the whole square plus now here we are writing this 12xy. So here a square, b square plus c square. So a is 2x, b is 3y, c is 5z. So this 12xy we have to write it in the form of 2ab. 2ab. So 2 into what is our a here? 2x into b 3y. So 2 2s are 4 3s are 12, x into y, xy. So 12xy we are getting. So this 12xy we are writing as into 2 into AB plus this 30y is at 2 into BC. So 2 into B is at 3y, C is at 5z into 5z. If you multiply this one, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, y into z, yz. So we are getting yz plus this 20z are 2 into CA. So C is at 5z into A 2x. So 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, z into x, zx. So we are getting that. Now it is in the form of which identity it is now? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now we are written the given polynomial, the given question we have written in this formula: a square plus b square plus 2c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. By identity we know that this one is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. So now this one we have splitted this, the given question we have splitted in this formula. So we have to write a plus b plus c the whole square. So this is equal to a is 2x, b is 3y, c is 5z. So 2x plus 3y plus 5z the whole square. Next, fourth question, factorize the following. In that first subdivision, 8x cube plus 125y cube. This 8x cube plus 125y cube, we can write it as a 2x the whole cube plus 125y cube, we can write as 125, we can write it as a 5 cube, 5y the whole cube. So now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube, here we have to use an identity, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now here our a is 2x, b is 5y. So 2x cube, 2x the whole cube plus 5y the whole cube is equal to 2x plus 5y, a plus b into a squared. So 2x the whole square minus 2x into 5y plus 5y the whole squared. So equal to 2x plus 5y. Here this 2x the whole square, we will write it as a 4x square minus 2 5s are 10. X into y, xy. So 10xy plus 5y the whole square, 25y square. So 8x cube plus 125y cube is equal to 2x plus 5y into 4x square minus 10xy plus 25y square. Now third subdivision, a power 6 minus 64. So here a power 6 minus 64. 64 we have to do first prime factorization. 2 times if we put 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 2 times again if you put 1 2s are 2, balance 1, 6 2s are 12. Again 2 times if you put 8 2s are 16. Again 2 times if you put 4 2s are 8. Again 2 times if you put 2 2s are 4. 2 times 1. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 64 we can write it as a 2 power 6. So this one I will write it as a power 6 minus 2 power 6. Now the a power 6 minus 2 power 6, we know that identity a power 6 minus b power 6 is equal to, by the identity a power 6 minus b power 6 is equal to a plus b into a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square into a square plus ab plus b square. This is a identity. A power 6 minus b power 6 is equal to a plus b into a minus b, a square minus ab plus b square, a square plus ab plus b square. So here are a is a, b is a 2. So a power 6 minus 2 power 6 is equal to a plus b. So a plus 2 into a minus b. So a minus b, a minus 2 into a squared. So a squared minus ab. So minus 2a plus 2 squared. So 2 squared is 4. So a squared minus 2a plus 4 into a squared plus ab. So 2 into a, 2a plus b squared. B is 2. So square if you put 4, 2 squared is 4. So a power 6 minus 2 power 6 is equal to a plus 2 into a minus 2 into a squared minus 2a plus 4, a squared plus 2a plus 4. Now next fifth question, factorize the following. In that first subdivision, x cube plus 8y cube plus 6xy minus 1. So first we have to write this one as a x cube plus this 8y cube, I will write it as a 2y the whole cube plus this 6xy, I will write it as a 2 into 3. This 6 I will write it as a 3 2s are 6 into x into y minus 1, we will write it as a 1 cube. So this x cube plus 2y cube plus 3 into 2 into x into y minus 1 cube. Now here we are having x cube, 2y cube and 1 cube. So a cube, b cube, this one also we are having a b cube. So we are taking this one as a c cube. So we are comparing here, there is an identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ca. So first we have to write this given question in this form: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So first we are choosing that substitute. This a is equal to x, b is equal to 2y. Now c is equal to, here 1 cube is there, here 1 cube we are written, but here we want minus. So here minus 1 and here we are taking the value. So what we will be getting here means x cube plus 2y the whole cube plus minus 1 the whole cube. Here we have to, this term we have to make it as a minus 3abc. So what we will be getting is plus 3 into, what is our a? A is our x into, what is our b? 2y into c minus 1. So 3 into x, 3x, 3x into 2y is 6xy, 6xy into minus 1 is equal 1, what will be getting? Minus plus minus 6xy, sorry, minus 6xy. So 3abc like we are getting minus 6xy. So plus 3 into x into 2y into minus 1 is equal to, here if we bring this minus 1 here in front, so what we will be getting, minus 3 into a into b minus 3abc into c will be getting here. So now we have this given question we written in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc la we written, that is equal to, this is equal to what is given, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So this one we have to write it as a plus b, x plus 2y minus 1. So c is a minus 1. So minus 1 into x square, a square x square plus b square 2y the whole square plus minus 1 the whole square c square minus ab. So minus into x into 2y minus 2y into minus 1 minus c is minus 1 into x. So this is equal to x plus 2y minus 1 into x square plus 4y square plus 1 minus x into 2y minus 2xy, here 2y into minus 1 minus 2y minus into minus plus, so plus 2y, here minus 1 into x minus into minus plus, so plus x. So this one we are written in x plus 2y minus 1 into x square minus 4y square plus 1 minus 2xy plus 2y plus x.